So now you might be thinking, this income ladder strategy sounds like exactly what I need, but how do I actually build one for myself? That's exactly why I created the Income Ladder Strategy course. So let me walk you through exactly what you'll discover when you join us today. First, Module 1, Foundations of Income Laddering. This is where we'll lay the groundwork for secure retirement income. You'll discover why income-focused investing trumps growth investing in retirement, the complete basics of bonds from government to corporate, a practical quick start guide to bond investing that removes all of the confusion, and how to set clear retirement income goals that match your lifestyle. One of my students, Frank, used just the foundational model to understand exactly how much income he needed and how to start generating it. He told me for the first time that he actually understood how bonds can create steady income instead of just sitting in his portfolio. Module 2, Public Securities for Income. This is where things get interesting, and you'll learn how to use CDs and treasury bonds as a rock-solid foundation. The secret to tax-advantaged municipal bonds, this one alone could save you thousands in taxes. Strategic use of corporate and high-yield bonds for enhanced income. Smart ways to add dividend stocks and preferred returns or preferred stocks for growing income. And how to use REITs and MLPs for alternative income streams. Gary, another student, used this module to build a diversified income portfolio that has grown every quarter for 2 years, even during market downturns. Module 3, Building Your Income. This is where everything comes together. You'll discover the complete income ladder blueprint for structured, reliable income. Step-by-step bond ladder setups, so no more guessing about what goes where and when. How to use the personalized income ladder planner for your specific needs. Setting up an automated bond reinvestment tool for truly hands-off income. Tom and Heather use this module to create $5,500 in monthly income that deposits automatically. They haven't had to manage their investments since starting this program. Module 4, Inflation Proofing and Maintaining Your Ladder. This crucial module shows you the essential of inflation proofing strategies to protect your purchasing power. How to use TIPS, Treasury Inflation Protection Securities, effectively, the interest rate tracker cheat sheet for maximizing your returns, and setting up a simple portfolio maintenance calendar just for peace of mind. Janet used these strategies to protect her retirement income from inflation, saying that last year, while everyone else was panicking about inflation, her income actually increased to keep pace. Module 5, Expanding and Securing Your Retirement Income. This is our final module that will cover smart ways to expand beyond bonds for maximum security. How to transition into real estate investing for additional income. Using syndications for completely hands-off real estate income. Lifetime income security checklist for ongoing confidence. And putting it all together into a complete retirement income system. But here's what makes the program truly special. When you join today, you'll also receive these 7 powerful bonuses designed to ensure your success. Bonus 1, Retirement Income Goal Planner. This isn't just another retirement calculator. It's a specialized tool that shows exactly how much income you need from each ladder layer. It'll help determine your monthly income targets, create your personalized retirement timeline, and tracks progress towards your income goals. Bonus 2, a retirement bond ladder setup guide, a step-by-step guide that'll show you which bonds to buy and in what order, how to stagger maturities for consistent monthly income, where to find the highest yielding government guarantees, and exactly how to set up automatic reinvestments. Bonus 3, portfolio optimization guide. This comprehensive guide helps you balance risk and returns across income assets. It ensures longevity and stability in your income streams. It diversifies effectively across different income sources, and it helps you maximize your returns while minimizing your risk. Bonus 4, hands-off income tracking system. This automated system helps you maintain oversight without daily monitoring. It'll streamline your income tracking, manage your strategies with minimal effort, and stay on top of your investment performance. Bonus 5, Retirement Security Planning Guide. This is an essential guide on risk management strategies and emergency fund planning, inflation adjustments, and ensuring long-term financial security. Bonus 6, Income Ladder Progress Tracker. This is a specialized tool that helps you set and monitor your personalized milestones. It'll track reinvestments, ensure your income goals are actually met, and maintain progress towards your objectives. Bonus 7, financial goal alignment checklist. This keeps you on track by ensuring your ladder aligns with your lifestyle changes. It'll help adapting to inflation, meeting evolving retirement needs, and maintaining your financial security throughout retirement.